there has been a significant increase in medical costs. And you saw, we were looking at this program, it was one of the major cable networks. Tell me what happened when we talked about the cost of living adjustment, or the COLA.
Yes, you know, with the COLA, what this article was stating is that the Medicare costs also rise along with the COLA. So basically, you sometimes end up with a net zero.
Exactly.
Or you certainly can. So that's something to keep in mind.
That's right. With these increasing medical costs, which is not helping the situation at all, Americans with Medicare, no, you ready for this? Okay. Funnel 20% of their income to out-of-pocket medical spending. That's incredible. 20%. And you're right. When you see, most of the time, if you get a COLA, then, or cost of living adjustment, your Medicare premium for that Part B, which comes out of your Social Security, see the correlation there? That slightly increases. And we've seen inflation. We experience that. We see the increased cost, especially when it comes to Medicare. The premium is starting to escalate, but 20% is significant.
That's very high.
10, 15, now is at 20. Now, and let me share this with you too. Carolyn, this is interesting. The increased responsibilities of older Americans is filing for bankruptcy. Let me repeat that. They're filing for bankruptcy at 3 times the rate of than they were in 1991. Now this is amazing. 1 in 7 bankruptcy filers are aged 65 and older. So that is an interesting fact too, that precludes the peace of mind that you would have trying to retire and knowing you need retirement income that will be there, predictable income, guaranteed for the rest of your life. And one of the things about bankruptcy, that almost an indelible mark, 10 years on your on your credit reports. All 3 credit reporting agencies will have that information there. So we could help you avoid bankruptcy.
Yes.
Okay.